Got everybody here. Everybody here ready for that basketball tournament? So we're having a basketball tournament. Everybody be ready. Everybody be ready.
Oh, motherfucker.
Got the homie. Nah, I got the homie Schmitty right here. Schmitty.
All losers go home. All losers
Shut your ass up, boy. Nah, I'm playing. Hey. Get back to you guys in a bit. Oh, shit.
Your phone.
My
I hate that I fell backwards yesterday.
Yeah, it's the fucking boot. These boots are trash, bro. I did.
Oh no.
I think I got it. So we got a gymnasium here. All the balled up. What's up, guys? How's your day going? Back to another video. Just checking out the another facility here. So it's pretty cool. Activity center. Not too bad. Basketball. People working out. Playing volleyball. Even got like a goal line right here. It's pretty dope. I'll get back to you guys.
Gang, you already know what the fuck going on. You don't know what. Hey, what's good, bro? Hey, a lot of gang shit. You feel me?
Such an idiot. But I'll get back to you guys in a bit.
6 hours later.
So literally just got out of the shower, finished work today. And it looks really pretty outside. Yeah, we'll definitely get back to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna head over to the rec center. So I'm here, you know, just reading my book, minding my own business. And then this little cutie decides to just lay next to me and keep me company. Oh, buddy. I don't want to disturb him because apparently he's asleep, but he was awake earlier. Oh, he's up now. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. You can go back to sleep, huh? Go back to sleep. Oh, he's so cute.
Just like this. I was like, yay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.